Diversity 2. This is a problem, and this is my solution. Actually tried to put some really tiny screw holes in the side of it. I was going to put at least two holes, two holes on each side, and put some tiny screws in there to hold it on. That didn't seem to work too well. I didn't have I needed some really small screws to do this, and that did not work out too well. This thing is really delicate. When I tried to drill, I'll take my time, and I was trying to be easy with it. Start to chip, so that didn't work out too well. But I just simply cleaned it up and rub some alcohol around the base of it, and just glued it back on. It seems to be pretty tight now, but instead of trying to drill holes back through the hood and remount this, it's not necessary to do. But some people use Bondo, but I just found some glue, and it's back on. It's nice and tight. Problem solved. Diversity 2, trying to get this antenna cap back on this Kia. There you go.